Good morning students and welcome for the maths lecture, that is algebra. Now students, we have already started the lesson first, that is sets in algebra, and we had completed in the last video and the last lecture practice set 1.4. The questions were 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one I told you all to do for homework. We'll just check the answers of the fifth one. You turn to your page 16 in the textbook and see the fifth one, page 16, and practice set 1.4, fifth question. In that the Venn diagram is already given, which I have drawn on the board. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets which they have asked. So look in the set A in the Venn diagram. The full is a universal set which is given. A is the set having x, y, z, mn, and B is the set p, q, r, mn, and mn is what? A intersection B. Okay, that is a common MNN. And outside A and B sets, what are the extra other two elements? S and T. That becomes a full universal set. Now see what are the questions asked. First they have asked you about to write the following set, that is A set. So what will be your A set from here? X, Y, Z, M and N, because this is also included. So that is your A set which I have written already. You check your answers. X, Y, Z, M, N. That is the first set in the curly bracket. The second they have asked you is the B set. So B is P, Q, R and M and N. All this will be included. So that is P, Q, R, M, N. Third question is A union B. A union B means all the elements of A, the intersection, and of B. So which are the elements coming? X, Y, Z, P, Q, R and M, N also. So A union B will be, this is A part, then this is B part, and this is intersection. Okay, that is the union. And what is the universal set? The extra two also elements will be added. That is X, Y, Z is one part, P, Q, R, M, N, and S and T, which is in the rectangular box. Then A complement. A complement is asked. What is the meaning of A complement? Other than A, whichever elements are there present in the set. So which are those A dash? That is how we represent A dash or A complement is equal to. Which are the elements other than A? P, Q, R, and which is the other one that is given in the universal set? S and T. This is A set. Other than A, remaining elements. So actually you have to compare A set and universal. So in A, X, Y, Z, M, N is there. Okay. Remaining elements are P, Q, R, S, T. You just pick up those and you write as A complement. Clear? Then the next one they have asked you is B complement. So how to find out the B complement? That is sixth question. That will be, again, compare your B set and your universal set. Which are the elements in the B? P, Q, R, M, N. So here is P, Q, R, M, N. Okay, gone. Which are the remaining? X, Y, Z, S, T. So you will write in that other than B, whatever remaining are coming as what? So this is the B set. Other than that is X, Y, Z and S, T. X, Y, Z, S, comma, T. Close the bracket. So that is about sixth one. Then you have the next one is A union B dash. Look at the set A union B. Here we have already got it. A union B is X, Y, Z, then P, Q, R and M, N. Then you must compare with this universal set. See, X, Y, Z is there in both. P, Q, R is also there. M, N is also there. What are not there? Means extra elements. In A union B, that is what? Universal set, what is there? Extra S and T. So that is becomes seventh one. A union B, you have got the complement. And put in the curly bracket, that is S, comma, T. This is your fifth answer. Now we'll move on to the problem set 1. In that first, choose the correct alternative. There are MCQ questions about 1 to 6. And also the second question after that is coming, find the correct option. So first one, now in that MCQ you have got, if M is a set 1, 3, 5 and N is a set 2, 4, 6. So what is there M given? It is a set of 1, 3, 5 and N is given a set of 2, 4 and 6. They have asked you to find out what is M intersection N. See whether there is anything common. M intersection N. Nothing is common, so it will be, option is given, that is null set, that is C option. Okay. Then second one, P is equal to, in set builder form, X such that X is an odd natural number and the range is given 1 less than X less than and equal to 5. How to write this set in roster form? So second one, the P set is given X such that X is an odd number. Okay, an odd natural number. Range is 1 less than X and less than equal to 5. This way. So what will be the P set? How you have to write down in which form? So you look at this range now. Odd, no? Odd number only is asked. Odd natural number. And the range is, what number comes between 1 and 5? Which number? That is 3. And they have said equal to. See, when it is equal to means x stands for between number 1 and 5. That is 3. And also equal to means x stands for equal to 5 also. So this will be there. Less than, that is odd number 3, and also equal to sign means equal to 5. So 3, 5, that is D option. Come to the third question. P is a set of 1, 2, dot, dot, dot is given. Until 10. We stop at 10. What type of set is P? Null set, infinite, finite, or none of this? It is finite set, because we know finite means there is a end. We stop. Okay. So that is finite. C option. Fourth one is M union N is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have got the fourth one, that is M union N, that is equal to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you have got M is a set of 1, 2 and 4. They have asked you which will be the N set. Options are given. Now M union N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and M is only 1, 2, 4. Which numbers are missing? So okay, 1 is gone, 2 is gone and 4. 3, 5, 6. Find out where 3, 5, 6 is there. So in the options there is no 3, 5, 6, but there is B option with 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be N standing for? N can come as 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because if we combine this and take the union, 4 is the common. We take it one time only. So how you read the union? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this will be the option, that is option number B. Come to the fifth question. We have got P is a subset of M. Fifth one is P is a subset of M. Then which of the following set represent P intersection? We'll write that, that is fifth one, which is given P subset of M. And you are asked which of the following set represents P intersection, then bracket P union M. Okay, this is what is asked among the options. So P is a subset of M, it's a smaller set. Any example also we can take and find out about it. Now P union M also they have asked you. P is a set, another P union M. When we take P union M means when P is belonging, all elements of P will be in M. Suppose for example we take P is a set of 1, 2 and M is a set of like 1, 2, 3, 4. What will happen? P is a subset of M because 1 and 2 are present in M. So when we take the union of this, it will come like this. P union M will be P union M, you will write as 1, 2, 3 and 4. But what will be the intersection? P intersection M. What will be the answer between this? What is common? 1 and 2. Now see. When we take P union M, what answer we got? That is M. Which set? M. Clear? And when we take P intersection, what answer we got? P answer. So look at this. We have taken example. And P is a subset with meaning is this one. Like that we can take any example and consider. They have asked you intersection. Now tell me P union M, among that answer is what? M. Okay, so we refer to this question. P intersection. Instead of P union M, what was the answer? M. And what is P intersection M? Just now we got answer is what? P. Okay, so what will come answer? Remember, P union M we found out, answer is M. P intersection M we found out, that is answer is P. And question what they have asked? P intersection bracket P union M. What is the answer of P union M? When we take a smaller set, it is a subset. The answer of union will be the bigger set. So bigger set means M becomes the answer. And among them intersection will be the common one, which is the smaller, that is a subset. So answer is what? P. What is the option? The option is first one, A. Clear? Sixth one, which of the following sets are empty sets? So I am reading the question, that is all the four are given. First one, set of intersecting points of parallel lines. Now tell me, first one, parallel lines, will they intersect? There are parallel lines. These are two parallel lines. Okay. M and N. Will they intersect anywhere? They are not going to intersect. Okay, at any point we extend. So any intersecting points will be there? Nothing. Okay. Then set of even prime numbers. You know set of even prime number, it is 2. Third is month of an English calendar having less than 28 days. So we have, that is a month is like February, you have got 28 days. And P, D option is given, P is X such that X belongs to integers. -1, less than X and less than 1. Which integer will be coming in between is 0. Clear? So B, C and D, they are sets which are not empty. But A is what? First one. This is the option A, set of parallel line, intersecting points. So if two lines are intersecting, no, like this, they have to be coming like that. But this cannot be parallel. Parallel lines will never intersect. Hence this set will be what? A empty set. So first option is set of intersecting points of parallel lines. That is an empty set. A option. Sixth one is A. Now we'll go to the second question. Come to the second question now. Find the correct option for the given question. First one, which of the following collections is a set? Now see the options are asked. Colors of the rainbow, tall trees in the school campus, rich people in the village, easy examples in a book. So the first one, colors of the rainbow, they are fixed. We know the 7 colors which are there. So that will be forming as a set. Clear? Tall trees in the school campus, now we cannot go and around count them and all. Like they are, some may be more, some are less and so on. But we cannot count. Rich people in the village also, you cannot take into account. And easy examples, you cannot count. So they are not to be taken as a set. So colors of the rainbow is the first answer. So all the 7 colors. Second question is, which of the following set represent N intersection W? What is N standing for? Natural number starting from where? 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. Okay. And W is a whole set of whole numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot. Among that N intersection W. What you will have? N intersection from this C. Whatever is common. It is the smaller because this becomes W becomes the bigger set. 0 is one more element. So among that intersection answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Means which set it will be? It is the N set. So you have got the option that is asked, which is there. So A option, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. Third is P is a set of X such that X is a letter in the word Indian. In the word Indian, you have to write in the which form now? That is the listing form. So letter is I, comma, element, N, then D. Okay, I is repeated again and N is also repeated. So only once we'll write. And A. So which letters are there? I, N, D, A. These 4 are there. Then we'll go to the fourth question. Now we come to the fourth question. If T is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and M is a set 3, 4, 7, 8. Okay. You have to find out T union M. What will be T union M? That is whichever elements are there. Okay. And if they are repeated, that is 3, 4. They are repeated here in both. Only one time you will be writing 3, 4. So 1 and 2 from here, 3 and 4 from both one time, 5 and 7 and 8. This becomes what? T union M. That is your option. So which option it will go? It will come to the option of C. C is the option. With that we end the second question. Now we come to the third main question. There is a word problem. Like earlier also in the 1.4 we had some word problems. There are solved examples also in your text. Out of 100 persons. See the question. Out of 100 persons in a group, 72 people or persons are speaking English, 43 speak French. Each of the 100 people speak at least one language. Then how many speak only English and how many speak only French? And how many of them speak English and French both? Now this number is given means what you have to do? N of. Okay, first beginning we have to write the sentence for that, like third question, let. And let the set be noted by some alphabet. E is the English, so we'll take E and French is F. So let the number of persons, or let the set, actually first is set, we will take set of persons speaking English be E and those speaking French be F. So what is N of F? Now they have given total, that is given 100 are there. Okay, and you have got English are N of E, that is given 72. N of F is given 43. And you have got, that is union, total union is given 100. So that we are going to represent as 100, that is okay, and we'll find out the intersection. So n of E union F total, that is given 100. Now you know your standard formula. So this is a beginning statement for all word problems, how you have to denote a set. Then we'll use the word our formula, standard formula, which we have done earlier. So that formula will be to find out about intersection. So for that you have got n of E intersection F, that is equal to what? N of E plus n of F and minus unions. Either union can be here or union can be there also. Followed? So if we take union here, there will be intersection. We have to find out intersection. So we are writing here, that is n of E union minus n of E union F. Okay. So what is n of E now? 72. What is F? N of F 43. And what is this? Union is given 100. Now add. That is given 5. And this will be 115, that is given. So you have got 2 and 3, 5, 7 and 4, 11. Minus 100. So answer from this is 15. Now what are these 15 people? They are what? They are given about 15 people. Those are speaking English and French both. That is intersection part. Clear? But among that English and French, we have to only find out those who are speaking only English and only French. So these are like 15 is representing speaking both the languages. And you say n of E 72. These are all English, means from that those who are speaking only English and those who are speaking English and French, counting them, that is 72. So from 72, if you remove this, no, 15, you will get answer of only English. And from this 43 will minus 15, you will get only French. So that is the next step what they have asked you. So that is how many speak only English and how many speak only French. That is the next step what we have to do. So persons, again now statement you are going to write, persons who speak only English will be equal to, what is the answer? That is n of E you had got, no, earlier, that is 72, minus this 15 or n of E intersection. See how I am writing now. Now what is n of E given earlier? 72, speaking English, minus intersection. Do. What will be the answer here? 12 minus 5, 7. And here remains 6. So 50. What is this? 57. So 57 people are speaking only English and 15 speak English and French both. Count 57 and 15. That is what you will get. Total is 72. Clear? Now we'll find out who are speaking only French. So how you have to do the same as you have done for English? Same way. Now here, next step. Persons who speak only French. N of, now what you are going to take? N of F, because all who are speaking French, all people, and minus intersection who are speaking both the language. Now French, how many were there given? 43% speak French. Among that only French we want. 43 we are going to take, and minus those who are speaking both the languages. Both the languages what we had got earlier, 15. Okay, that will be subtract. 13 minus 5, what you will get? That is 8. And here remains how much? 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So you have got 28. 28 will be the person speaking. So what is the final answer when you have to write? First step. How many speak only English? That is 57. An answer statement at the end you have to write. After finishing, please write the answer. Person speaking only English, 57. Person speaking only French, 28. And person speaking both English and French, that is 15. Earlier we had got that step you are going to write. Now we'll come to the fourth question. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pradnya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both of them together. So okay, we are going to represent Parth by one of the any set and by Pradnya another set. And the number of trees they have given, whatever that is n of, we are going to write that. And both planted common, that is how many trees? 25. How many trees were planted by Pradnya and Parth together? That is union you have to find out. So now let the number of trees planted by Parth be, you can take any alphabet. I have taken A and trees planted by Pradnya be B. Okay. Therefore, what is n of A? Means Parth has planted how many trees they have given? 70. Okay. Then Pradnya has planted how many trees? That is given 90. And you have got both planted how many? That is intersection. Okay, A intersection B. So that will be equal to, that is given 25. Now what you have to find out? A union B. This is your formula which is to be taken. That is N of A union B will be N of A plus N of B minus N of, what is their intersection? That is given 25, no? So N of A intersection B. Just substitute the values. What is N of A? 70. B is 90 and minus 25. Work out what you will get. 70 plus 90. Huh? Okay. So that we are going to write. Add the 70 and 90, that is equal to 160. Minus 25. Work out. Subtract. 5. Then 4 here 3, that is 5 and 0. How much you will get? 160 minus 25, that is equal to 135. So answer for this, you are going to write final answer. What is asked? Number of trees planted by both Parth and, complete the answer. So now this statement you are going to write number of trees. Complete the statement. You are going to write complete sentence. Okay. You write full. Number of trees planted by Parth and Pradnya. So number of trees planted by both Parth and Pradnya, that is 135. You have to write the answer in the full statement again. Number of trees planted by both Parth and Pradnya is 135. That is the answer. So that is your fourth one. Now we move on to the fifth question. So see the fifth question. You have got N of A. Directly they have given N of A 20, N of B 28 and union is given 36. You have to find intersection. So that is a simple one. Fifth question. N of A. How much it is given? 20. N of B. How much? 28. And N of A union B. That is equal to 36. And what is asked? N of A intersection B. This is question mark. Use your formula, that is A intersection B, that is equal to N of A plus N of B and minus, you will get union. What is N of A? That is 20. N of B 28, that is given, and intersection union is given how much? 36. Add now 20 and 28, 48 minus 36 and do subtraction. 8 minus 6, 2, 4 minus this, so 12 is the answer. Now we come to the sixth question. See, the sixth question is, in a class, 8 students out of 28 have a dog as their pet animal at home. 6 students have cat as a pet animal. 10 students are having dog and cat both. Means this becomes like intersection. Then how many students do not have a dog or a cat as a pet animal at home? See now, 8 total out of 28 they have asked. Huh? 8 students out of 28 have a dog as their pet animal. So actually it should be 8 students that is having only. So 8 students out of 28 have dog that is given as a pet animal. It should be only dog. Okay, make that correction. And 6 students have only cat as a pet animal. And 10 are having both. Now here we have just represented the Venn diagram and shown U is the universal set. D represent the, what is written? Let D be the set of students having dog as a pet. Okay, D. And C be the set of students having cat as a pet. So D is a set of dogs, C is for cat, and 8 what is written is only. Remember, they have not printed. So 8 is only, C, 6 is only for cats, and 10 means both. That is intersection, no? D intersection C, having dog and cat both. Now if we see, this is only dogs and here dog and cats, means total dogs will become how much? 8 plus 10. Okay, total dogs, like if we take 8 plus 10 will become 18. And cats, only cats plus the intersection. Okay, here also cats are there. So 6 plus 10, that will be what? Total number of cats. 6 plus 10 will become 16. So that is what we are going to represent and write the further steps. So this is the Venn diagram how we have represented. Now further we will write, that is. Now as we have seen here, the number of dogs, that is only dogs plus intersection, 8 plus 10. So how you are representing, I have shown here N of D. What is N of D? Number of students who are having the dogs. Students having only dogs, how many? 8. and dogs and cats both, I put that in the bracket, dogs and cat both, that is 8 plus 10. Okay, that is equal to what? 18. So that is one figure, n of d what we are getting. And now n of cats we have to find out. So which will be that? Only cats plus this also together. Only cats plus dog and cats both. That only cats is 6 plus intersection 10, that is equal to how much? 16. And what is the intersection part? N intersection C, that is given number you are getting, or n of D intersection C, that is 10. Now you have got n of D, n of C and intersection. What we have to find out? Union. So we'll go to the further formula of union to find out. Use your standard formula as we have done earlier. So what is your standard formula? N of D union C, that is equal to n of D plus n of C minus n of, what you are going to get? This intersection part. Okay, D intersection C. What is n of D? Now we got earlier 18. Okay, from this 8 plus 10. And what you have got? C, 6 plus 10, that is 16. Minus intersection part is how much? 10. Add 18 and 16. Okay, 8 and 6, that is 14 and 34. Minus 10. 34 minus 10, how much you will get? 24. Now you got the union, that is there. This is not the final answer. Our universal set, no, the full, that is consisting of what number? 28. So what is n of u given? That is 28, universal. From that, dogs, union, cats, all this number what we got is 24. What is the question asks is, how many students do not have a dog or cat as a pet animal? So that we have to find out. Means from universal, that is 28 students are there total, universal. Subtract from that those who are having dogs, cat. The remaining will be those who are not having dog and cat. So the remaining answer that we will just add up and write on top. That is, therefore, number of students who do not have dog or cat as a pet animal, that is nothing but equal to n of u, universal, minus, what is the answer? Just now we have got D union C. What is n of u? 28 minus 24, that is equal to 4. Okay, so this is